In this video, we will guide you through the process of uploading documents to a claim. In most cases, these documents will be medical reports. To begin, navigate to the Search tab at the top of the screen. The search page will display. Enter the claim number in the Search Claim field and submit your search. Once the claim appears, click Select in the Actions column to expand the claim details. Scroll down and select the Medical Reports tab. Continue scrolling to the bottom of the page and click Add Report. A new page will open with the claimant's details pre-populated. Complete the remaining fields required for the report you are uploading. Select the medical report type from the drop-down list, followed by the medical report category. Enter the date of consultation. If a next review date is available, select the checkbox and capture the date. In this demonstration, a next review date is not available, so we will proceed with uploading the document. Click the medical report upload icon, select Choose File, and locate the document on your computer. Double-click the file, then click the green arrow icon to upload it. Once the document has uploaded successfully, scroll to the top of the page and click Save. You will be directed to the Diagnosis page. Click the plus icon to add the relevant ICD-10 codes, complete the required details, and save. The next page is the Progress Medical Report. Answer the questions based on the medical information provided, then click Save. You will be taken to the Declaration page. Select the Declaration checkbox, enter the practice number, and click Save. The Submit button will now be enabled. Click Submit. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the report has been submitted successfully. To view the report you have just uploaded, scroll down and select the Medical Reports tab. The report will begin to load and will display with a pending status. You can view the report at any time by clicking the eye icon. And that is how you upload documents to a claim.